What's up everyone? I hope y'all are great. As you read the title, I finally decided to do a face reveal. I thought to myself, you know what, it's time for the people to see who's behind these trading charts, and here I am. My name is Radu. A lot of you might already know my face from the signal groups. I do some market updates video in the signal groups from time to time, so I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with my face. Apart from that, this video is not gonna be very long, as I just wanted to do a face reveal, as the title says, and also a wonderful Forex Halloween giveaway, guys, okay? But before I announce the giveaway, I just wanted to thank you all very much for the support that you guys been showing me all the way since I started this YouTube channel. It's been a wonderful journey, and I'm sure it's gonna be a lovely journey ahead. I'm gonna try my best to continue helping as many people as I can, people that like to trade, want to learn new strategies to be able to achieve consistency. So I will keep them coming on a consistent basis, so don't worry. That being said, guys, I also wanted to let you know that I'm running a discount in my signal groups as well, a Halloween discount that will last till next week on Sunday the 6th November. So if you want to check it out, make sure to join the free signal group. You will be able to join the VIP group with a Halloween discount. So if you want to give it a shot, now is the best time. And I also wanted to show you two trades that literally played out yesterday and the day before in the VIP. Two out of many trades that played out very nicely. The first trade is Euro USD sell limit. This is when the sell limit was sent in the VIP group as a pending order. Of course, we only send pending orders. This is how the Euro USD chart looked like when the pending order signal was sent. And this is how the Euro USD chart looked like after the pending order was hit. It was an instant sniper entry. Also, this is the NAS 100 signal that was sent, also a sell limit. This is how the chart looked like when the signal was sent. And this is how the chart looked like when the signal was activated. It was another super cool sniper entry. And I also wanted to let you know, guys, that you can achieve whatever you guys want. All you have to do is put your mind to it, visualize it, and work very hard for it. And everything can be possible, okay? This can relate to trading and to whatever your goals are in your life, okay? So always remember this. All right, now, so what about the giveaway? One of you guys will be able to win my full Forex trading mentorship for free. Yes, you've heard that correct. All you have to do in order to enter this giveaway is like this video, comment on it, subscribe to the channel, join the free signal group on Telegram, link is down below. After you join the free signal group, all you have to do is invite 2 new people to it. And after that, you'll need to message me privately on Telegram. You will have my Telegram username link down below, telling me that you did all the steps. And after that, you will be entered, okay? The giveaway winner will be announced most likely next week in the free signal group. So stay tuned for that, and let's see who will win the big prize. So this was pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and who knows, maybe in the future I will do some more videos like this if of course you guys enjoy them as well. Just let me know in the comments if you did. And that's basically it. I've told you the giveaway details, you know how to enter. I've also let you know about the signal groups discounts if you want to take advantage of them. And yeah, what can I say? I wish you all a wonderful Friday. I thank you all for the support once again, and I wish y'all a beautiful weekend ahead. Okay guys, take care.